Well, did we say that you picked this interest after involving yourself in the court process and going through this, or it was at the back of your mind that when I become a lawyer, I think I should be able to specialize in family law?
Actually, at the back of my mind, I didn't really have intentions of specializing in family law.
Yeah,
From law school, I used to love land law,
yeah,
land transactions. I was very passionate about criminal law, um, very passionate about contracts, that kind of area, transactional law. But with time, I think because my first experience was family,
yeah,
and I realized the power we have as lawyers to ensure that these issues are resolved in a round table. And that's how I picked interest. But from way back joining law school, I was very, very passionate about land law. I
no,
still do
yeah,
uh, land transactions. I
yeah,
still practice that, but there's something you're passionate about, and that is family law practice. It's passion.
yeah,
I love it. I love to resolve issues. It gives me so much joy when a lady texts you and says, "If it were not for you,
yeah,
I don't think my family would be where we are right now." If it was,
yeah,
that level of you touching lives, it's like a ministry, really.
yeah,
You find yourself touching lives, but through your career and
yeah.
profession.
Yeah.
So that's how I learned to love it so passionately.
Wow, that's amazing. I know some of you may be watching out there and you think and say, how do I change what I love best? She got into this family law after she had started practicing because at her back of her mind, she wanted to do land law. But you see how she got into the system and she decided to develop her passion in that area where she actually knew or found that there's lacking or something where she could expound her potential. We all have this in life that you study something, but along the way, you realize that when you get in there, there's something that actually identifies your personality, identifies who you are. We agree to that.
Oh yes.